Yes, Abeokuta is majorly known for Adire. Adire is a cultural way of dressing. Abeokuta style, grand style.
Abeokuta Golf Club is it's not one of, scratch that. It is the hidden travel destination. Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome to this episode. My name is Folake Laode from FolakeLaode.com. Thank you for clicking with me all this while. I appreciate you. In case you're just hopping on this channel, my name is Folake Laode from FolakeLaode.com once again, and I promote culture and tourism, and I explore places and everything in between. You'll love it here, trust me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on the notification for weekly updates. I post videos every Friday. And kindly head over to FolakeLaode.com for more information about this channel. In this video, I will be talking about fun places to visit in Abeokuta. It's gonna be a long drive, so sit back, relax. I'll be right back. Do not go anywhere. Welcome back. So during my last visit to Abeokuta, I discovered some hidden tourist spots that you should explore anytime you visit the Rock City. Well, some you may know, some you might not know. So let's save all the grammar and dive in. The market is an ultra-modern market located at Itoku Market. It's pretty near the renowned Olumo Rock. This colorful market is the biggest Adire market in Africa, where you can get your Adire prints in different patterns and designs. And not only that, you can get your Adire bags, sculptures, artworks, local beads, etc. And to get the best of this popular tourist attraction, win the shop and take pictures. It offers a picturesque spot for great photo shoot. Trust me. And if time permits you, take a walk down to the factory. It's a local place. It is behind the mall, though they don't allow pictures and videos, but well, I managed to take some videos. You can check it out. Creativity lele. Wow. Tí wọ́n bá máa lẹ́ẹ̀kì ní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kọ́yọ̀. Kí náà procedure báwo ni procedure? Tí máa yẹ ní ẹnu òbí báwo ni ẹ ṣe ìyẹn tí ẹni kan tí wọ́n máa fẹ́ kọ́ èèyàn máa ní time. Èèyàn máa ní time fún bọ̀ báwo ni ẹ ṣe lè kọ́ ṣé èló nìyẹn máa ṣe.
Tí wọ́n máa kọ́ ẹ̀dínì tó
fún bí oṣù mélòó nìyẹn máa.
oṣù èlò 3 months èlò 6 months èmi ṣe lè lo 1 year ó ti fẹ́ lórí
bí wọ́n bá ṣe lè tètè cash shops. Kí lorúkọ ilé ìtẹ̀jẹ̀?
Kíkà ni a máa ń pè design yẹn láláwọn.
Aláwọn. Ebi bí design yẹn ṣe wà láyé sáláwọn. Kí lorúkọ fabric yìí báyìí tí wọ́n máa béèrè lọ́jà pé orúkọ báyìí.
Ọ̀tún bá ti ní design aláwọn.
Òkè aláwọn mo mí pé texture ṣe mọ̀ pé mi wà sí
Ọtí ìṣe síkì o. Àǹkárá lè lè yè àǹkárá ní ṣáínṣáín.
Ok, wọ́n ṣe máa to stones sí báyìí ni.
Bó ṣe báṣọ ìṣe wá nì, báṣọ yẹn ṣe wá nì. Àwa la ṣe design àròsí náà.
So plain material ni wàá fi ìdílé sí.
Àwa lọ gbé láìpẹ́ ní design yìí. Àwa gbé àròlé.
Ṣé ẹ máa ya kí ni ẹ̀sìn?
Kíkà ni wọ́n máa fi okùn kíkà.
Ok, ní sígbà tí mo ṣe fídíò fún yín tí tẹ́nìkan bá fẹ́ kọ́ṣẹ́ sí added advantage tẹ́mi bá wá sí bá fẹ́ kọ́ṣẹ́ ní gbowó. Then I discovered that they invested a lot of creativity into this design. It's not easy. If you see Adire outside, just give it to those who made it. In fact, I saw a merch where they have different designs they want on their fabric. They have it on a merch before they do the final. In fact, it's a lot of work. This monument was built in 1950 to commemorate 100 years of peace in Abeokuta following the Intertribal War. And a tour of this wondrous building gives you an insight about the history of Abeokuta and the struggle come triumph of the Egba people. It's located opposite Ake Palace in Abeokuta. Olumo Rock is one of the places you need to visit before you die. Nobody's dying now, God forbid. Aside the fact that it is an historical monument that serves as a shield for the Egba people during the war, I have a comprehensive video on the history of Olumo Rock. Kindly click on the link above to watch. Climbing the Olumo Rock is not only adventurous and exhilarating, but also gives you a panoramic view of some historic places in Abeokuta. For example, the first mosque in Abeokuta, built in a church-like architecture, the first church in Nigeria, Eleja Primary School, Old Baptist Boys High School, Ogun River, etc. Olumo Rock is located at Ikija Road. It's just a stone throw from the Adire Mall. And other places to explore at the Olumo Rock are Memphis Art Gallery and Cultural Center. And thankfully, they have gallery creators to hold your hand through these galleries.
Even as a lady, you can wear it on anything you want to wear it on. You are the lady here. Yes, Abeokuta. Behind you here is Abeokuta. You see our mommy and dad is sitting on Abeokuta, carved from the local tree. Local PS5 for the lady. Abeokuta. Our local
PS5?
Yes, our local PS5. See, this one is made in a unique form, so it has comparative advantage to the ones that are used to. You understand? This one has extra only extra space. So you can come by the
This is a drum, local drum that we know as sakara. Look for a long stick that will put it in the laps and plates. So these are fabrics made with bags, side bag like this, handbags, school bags, and also lunch bag that will be first time. Also you have materials sold and also.
This building has in possession lots of history, and this is where all the Kutis were raised. And interestingly, to further stress it, this used to be the home of the late Afrobeat legend Fela Anikulapo Kuti. I am making a quick rundown to save time. Kindly head over to FolakeLaode.com for a comprehensive read. Thank you. It was formerly called Ogun State Cultural Center. It was renamed after the late Chief M.K. Abiola, the winner of the annulled June 12 presidential election. It was now remodeled into an impressive hub for events, gallery, Hall of Fame, etc. It is located at Kuto Roundabout in Abeokuta. It's not a place that you can just go in and say, I want to go to the cultural center. No way. For easy access, a letter must be written through the Commissioner for Culture and Tourism and Permanent Secretary, signed and sent to the security head. That is the only way for you to explore this impressive cultural hub. I deliberately fixed it on the last menu. Abeokuta Golf Club is one of, it's not one of, scratch that. It is the hidden travel destination in Abeokuta that would make you fall in love with nature again and again. Oh my God. I wish you can see the beautiful scenery. In fact, when I posted a video and some pictures of it on social media, so many questions were popping in. This place, how do we get there? Is there any place? Is it open for family? I don't even know how to answer. This place is beautiful. Unfortunately, it's exclusive for only members and golfing enthusiasts around the world. But the good news is they usually have tournaments where non-members pay a certain gate fee. You can check their website out at Abeokutagolfclub.com for you to know about their upcoming events. It is located at Kobakwe Road, behind the governor's office, Okemoson in Abeokuta. So please, I beg you, God, I beg you, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on the notification for you to get weekly updates. Like my videos, drop an engaging comment, share my videos, and God will bless you. Kindly head over to FolakeLaode.com and subscribe to my newsletters. Thank you for watching. I wish you a great experience. Mwah.